Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Radeon RX 9070 XT Gaming OC16G and then hit enter. After that click on the product and then click on model number of graphic card. And then click on support. Then select operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same, Nvidia, AMD, and click to download. After that start downloading, you can see, and it is completed. Then click on three dot and then click on download. Then it is completed. Then click on it. Open this icon to open where it is downloading. After that, this one, right click and run as administrator. Otherwise, show more and run as administrator to click. Then click on yes. After that, this is installing. It will take some time and it is completed all driver. Then restart your system.